Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these e-learning tools, which is iSpring solution. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about iSpring solution is a perfect e-learning tools designed for teachers and trainers who want to turn PowerPoint slide into interactive course with ease. It's user-friendly, supports quiz and video, and is Scrum expert, and also integrates well smoothly with most learning management system. It's ideal for professionals who want polished results without a steep learning curve. However, iSpring is limited for Windows users, and some advanced features like gamification and deep analytics are missing. Price can also feel high for smaller teams sometimes. And talking about the overall performance, it's fast, reliable, and professional tools for building engaging e-learning content. And also it is perfect with simplicity and in terms of speed most times. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.